All right, we're gonna balance some redox equations. Let's practice doing these. All right, so we're doing the half reaction method, which means we're gonna separate oxidation from reduction, and we are in acidic conditions. Acidic makes things a little bit easier. So the first thing we gotta do is we need to assign oxidation numbers and identify what's oxidation and what's reduction. So here, this is a +2. This is a -2, +3, +2. All right, so MnO4, so manganese must be +7. All right, now we need to draw our arrows to what's changed. All right, so here we have iron going from +2 to +3, so that's a loss of 1 electron. And manganese going from +7 to +2, so that's a gain of 5 electrons. All right, so remember here we have oil rig. Oxidation is lost, so that's going to be iron. So let's kind of give ourselves a little bit of space. And that's going to go to iron +3, and it lost an electron, so the electron goes over here. And now we need to identify reduction, which is going to be MnO4 minus, and it is gaining electrons, so when it gains electrons, those go on the reactant side, and that becomes Mn+2. Phases don't really matter at this point. Okay, the first thing we do now is we balance our oxygens with waters. This is already good. So this has oxygens in it. 4 oxygens. So we need 4 waters. Oxygens balance. Next, we have to balance our hydrogens with H+. So now we have 8 hydrogens. So we have 8 H+ over there. All right, and this one's good. And then the last thing we need to balance is our electrons. So 5 electrons, 1 electron. That doesn't work. Let's multiply this by 5. All right, so now we need to put it all together. And a lot of times, because I make a lot of mistakes with this, always do this in pencil. All right, so now we put it all together overall. So 5 Fe+2 plus 8 H+ plus MnO4 minus plus 5 electrons gives us 5 Fe+3 plus 5 electrons plus Mn+2 plus 4 H2O. All right, now here's where we cancel things out that appear on both sides. In this case, the only thing that appears on both sides are electrons. So our final answer is 5 Fe+2. And again, the order that you put these in doesn't matter as long as you get the coefficients right. Now remember, we're in acidic conditions, and acidic conditions means there's free hydrogen, so it's okay to leave this free hydrogen around. Let's go ahead and look at this next one before I... No, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video.